Hi, I'm Ray, and I'm with Antari, and we're here at InfoComm 2026, and we're going to talk about Antari's brand new J-100. So this is our brand new J-100. It is what we're calling a jet fog machine, and it is an upshot fogger. It can be used in any position, even though we're calling it upshot fogger, so you can invert it and tilt it in any position to get full output. The unit is built inside a semi-waterproof or water-resistant enclosure, so it can be used outdoors temporary. And it has options for wireless DMX and wireless remote. And it's got a removable tank holder, so you could mount it in any position. It comes with a yoke also. The yoke's not attached right now because we're using it in this on a flat level surface. It's got built-in electronic controls. It's got a built-in timer, and we'll go ahead and shoot it off so you can see what it does. So with this unit, we're going to give you an output of about 45 to 50 feet. A nice thick output, designed to simulate and replace costly and dangerous CO2. And it is quite loud, and that's why we call it our jet fogger. So that's our J100, and it is available now at any of our Antari distributors and retailers. And for more information on the unit, go to www.antari.com.